Wait, what is that? What is that? Is that another SBR? How many of these am I getting?
The National Weather Service in the city has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Galveston County and southeast Central Fort Bend County and southeast
Central Fort Bend County.
Brazoria County and southeast
What?
South Central Harris County Texas until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Galleria or over Green Way or upper Kirby area, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pearland, Eastern Missouri City, Northern Friendswood, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, West University Place, Northern Mangle, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Downtown Houston, Greenway, or Upper Kirby area, Spring Branch North, 2nd Ward, Raider Heights, Fresno, South Ellington, Northtown, or Montrose and Memorial Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.